Model, 2011 Mercedes Vito 111 2.2 CDI long wheelbase silver factory-fitted crew cab super low miles smiling face with heart star struck open mouth smile. Body, silver, crew cab. Mileage, 89,355. MOT, the 24th of November 2024. Engine, 2148 cc 2.2 CDI, 111. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash. This is a very clean, well-maintained Mercedes Vito. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, air con, reversing camera, parking sensors. These don't come in that often in this condition. Grin HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call